We continue west of Clarendon to the lush parish of Manchester. Destination, Bishop Gibson High School for Girls with Say Something. A big round of applause, please, for Bishop Gibson.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to grow. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, say something, say something. I'll be the one if you want me to. Something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, say something, say something, say something, say something, I'm giving up on you.
Bishop Gibson, anywhere I will follow you. So don't give up. Don't give up, cousin. Destined to be in this competition. Yeah.
Yeah, Bishop Gibson, this was so delightful, especially for the fact that it's an all-female choir. It was so beautiful, and you're one of the top choirs, I can tell you that much.
Mr. Director, I'm going to put my job on the line. Come here, please. I can be fired for this, but it's worth it. This is by far the best female choir to ever interstate.